So this is what the shopping district looks like at 6 a.m. Well, not exactly 6 a.m. pero yeah, 6 a.m. Good morning guys, my name is John from Live with David and John. And punta kami yung Tokyo Station ngayon. Ay, Tokyo Station. Tokyo. Ayun. And yeah, punta kami for the bus. Hindi na kami mag-train since mahal yun. Tapos itong bus na to, direct na siya. So, yun. Our hotel is that way. Then just sa corner na yan, hindi ko tayo putang right. Kakashi, di mo ako maluloko. So yung bus pala na to, dito yung Nika na sign na street. It looks so different pag umaga. Walang kailaw-ilaw sa tahimik. Yan, yung orange sign na yan. Yan yung bus puntang airport. Yan, yung Chilos na airport. Yung sakto? Sakto ba ito? Yeah. Okay, after an hour of bus ride, dito na kami sa second floor of the airport. Ang fun din dito, ang cool dito kasi sa fourth floor meron silang cinema. So may cinema sa airport. Okay, time check, it's 7:48 a.m. We're going to Jetstar kasi yun yung airlines namin. And we will be checking in our baggages. After checking in our luggages, we heading to gate 15. Ito sa gate F. Also guys, if you're gonna have a domestic flight dito sa Japan, you should try to book our airline, si Jet Air, kasi they allow us to have 20.9. So may libre kang 900 grams of weight kada luggage. So hindi siya nakakasya yung luggage namin ngayon. Pero dahil lang dun sa extra 900 per luggage, kasya naman lahat. Yung like yung item na yun, yung tubig namin chinek, so parang skinan dun, check daw, check ko siya muna sa dito. Ano yan? Okay, so we have Dawson here sa loob ng gate. So yun, that's our food. We have rice, ako may onigiri, then may fried chicken ako, then iced coffee, and then dessert kasi yung panchichan nila for airplane. Ito yung machine. Iced cafe mocha. Iced cafe mocha. Yan yung mga extra stuff you need. Parang ayoko mag-straight na cafe latte lang. So lagyan ko ng flavoring. Patapos na. Here's my breakfast. I have salmon onigiri. And my dessert Godiva kanin. Hindi ko nakatingin ng kanin actually. Then yung fried chicken nila. Then iced coffee. Actually ordered the medium. Pero may nakalagay dun sa machine na cafe mocha. Eh in-order ko cafe latte. Pero yung cafe latte na yun wala siyang size. So siguro small to. Eh in-order ko medium. So yun. Yun. This is my dessert. Ganda. Now we are boarding gate 15 for Jetstar. Boarding time is supposed to be 9:55, but it's now we started boarding at 10. 5 minutes only. Ay, yung plane, no? So small. Small lang. No, never mind. Malaki-laki din pala. Okay guys, after almost 2 hours of plane ride, dito na kami sa airport. Narita. Okay. Narito na kami sa Narita Airport. Napakataas ng elevator ng Narita. Okay, we took the bus from Terminal 3 to go to Terminal 2. Ito. Parang rewind lang yung last time. Tagal. Palayan. Ang dami ng palay. Palayan. So after exiting the subway line, dito kami exit sa KC Ueno Station. Ano siya? Point to point lang. Although may stops din. Pero ito yung labas. Wow. Yan. Wow. So pretty. And this is so heavy. Wow. Okay, as you guys can see from outside, we're just under a train railway. Oh, may nalanan yung UOC. And we have dito sa isang local place na ito yung meron nila.
Hindi yung pako.
Ito yung meron nila.
O yung sa ano yung parang ayun dati.
Ito na, hindi ka talaga pwedeng tumikim ng kaprato nito. Chicken ba yan?
Kala ko kung anong isda power fish. Pag ginulot ko kaya ito, lulubo to. Lubobo ka nga. Wah!
Ba, pinagluluto niya?
So here's our hotel. Just around doon sa kanto na yun. Yung shopping district or restaurant district. Hotel. We have free espresso. Wow. They only have coffee or espresso setting. So based on my experience sa palit sa machine ko, masarap yung espresso. Tapos lalayin mo na lang ng hot water if you want. Look at the crema! Wow! Marami din ang gamit. They have yung damit dito. Body towel, body scrub, cotton pad, cotton bud, shower cap, razor, hairbrush, toothbrush. Ang wala lang sa huling hotel namin na meron dito is this hair tie at itong bath salt. Yung machine. Okay, so here is the view just outside of the hotel. We just checked in. Itong 906 and 907. This one is for my grandmom and cousin. Small lang pala, cute. Sorry. Okay, but yeah. Hair dryer, stuff. Alam mo yung CR. Wala kasing card.
Where's the fintech?
Hi. Ma, first time naman na nag-hotel, mami.
I've been looking for the key card there.
Yarn. They still have bathtub here. Shower. Yeah. So, maliit lang siya compared to that. Here is our room for 3 people. Wow. Hiwalay na naman ako. Siyempre.
Ay, hindi sure. Pag malipot ang papa mo dito ko.
Ha? Ito naman yung CR. Ouch. Yeah. Ay, ito nag-vlog ako. Kasama ko yung bata ka. Dito sa waiting area pala ng hotel, may map. That's where we are. May zoo, mami. They have a zoo and we need to go to the zoo. Yan. Ito yung lugar. Family Mart. Meron silang souffle pudding. Bilhin nyo to. Kasi mukhang, kasi lasang cheesecake yung taas. So yung pudding sa ilalim na parang leche flan. Kasi yung caramel mo sa baba. Sarap. Now we're going to the Ginza line. Going to Asakmo, so that's gonna be 3 stops. Oh wow. Okay, exit number 2. Ito ay Asakusa line. That's wow. Ito na pala kami. Ito ay Asakusa. Visit. Ito pala yun. Here again. So as we are looking for a place to eat, we are here sa Kaminarimon. It's just isang kanto away from where we exited the station. Probably right. No, that's the information kasi. So maybe 1 block pa dun. So yeah. Here's the place. Ang ganda. So we're here sa shopping district ng Kaminarimon. You just pass under that. You picture place. Kaya naman picture. Pero it didn't work out. Kasi ang dami tayong dumadaan. So we didn't have like our own solo picture. But yeah, ang daming pwedeng bilhin dito. We were here before, so you know, it's not that new, but yeah, it's good to be back again. Here we have kinako powder and warabi mochi, matcha ice cream. Here, also we have like, I was na 1 and 2 knife shops here. They're all expensive, like 30K above. They have the cafe too. I wanna go in. And there's another one here. Astig sa pinakalalim ng cone, may cake. You know. Woohoo! Okay, while roaming around, we came across this Cuomo Salvatore and bar. It's a brick oven place. Has pizza, pasta, you know, your typical. I mean, typical, you know. Hindi naman typical. Ayan. This is the place. Wow. Very cozy. So, ito na yung recommended menu nila na pasta. Pakilang portion size ng fish or mackerel. Comes large pizza, so comparison this is my hand. So yeah.
My feet.
Okay. Yeah. Alam ko may honey. May honey yan eh. Now we're finished eating there and syempre yep. Tapat lang pala ng ano, yung resto. Tapat lang yung is? Di ba tapat? Pero you know what I mean. Eh, Donkey. Asakusa, Don Quixote. Tottemo dekai desu. That's what she said. Ay, sorry. Okay, so what happened was, lumas kami sa site na to, then went to the tourist destination right there, then went through the shrine, and circled around there. Then, come back here. So, yung buong perimeter na shrine, snircle around namin. So, di ba nga, Steve? Okay, now it's the 2nd day. So, siguro hindi ko na ito gagawin ng bagong like day 2 na like bagong vlog. It's gonna be just a day 2. Dito ulit kami. Now, kasama na namin ang so yung
バッテリー残量は 80%。充電をやめてください。
ayun. Yung kasama namin ngayon, aking pinsan, aking lola. Kasi kapo yung rent kami dito ng wheelchair, di ba? Ngayon, kasama na sila. Okay, as we're walking, and mom bought a hat. Because why not? It's so hot. We saw a strawberry place, but they have tangkulo. Pero hindi pa kami nakapag-try ng tangkulo this trip. I think nakapag-try na kami ng tangkulo before. Yung before pa siya sumikat, ngayon kasi sikat eh. Pero hindi siya tumatak sa masyado. So, you know, ito lang yan. Tender yung ano niya, crystal. Sugar crystal. Tapos yung strawberry masarap din siya. Oh. Ngayon, punta kami ngayon sa inner part ng shrine. Kaso nga lang, look at all these people. Ay, mali. Mali. Yan! Ang dami daw! Ayoko dito. Hirap mabiga. My asthma is acting up. I'm sorry. Okay, so after roaming around, we came from that kanto. Dito na kami sa Imo AP, the famous sweet potato na may extra. No, hindi to cheese. Sugar yan na sinunag. The moment you step inside the store, amoy, syempre amoy kamote. Bang. I got the goods. So ano na pala siya? Yung kamote na nabibili mo sa Donkey. Top with this. I mean, ice cream sa akin. Yung isa kasi creme brulee. Na one. Isa, I don't even know what that is. Okay guys, if you want a new experience, akin kasi ice cream lang sa taas. Ito kamote na may custard, tapos may sugar, caramel sugar sa taas. So, yeah, kala ko creme brulee na siya. Okay, now we are dito pa tayo sa shopping this time. And this has a revolving sushi bar. And then bawat section may label. Then ayun sila magkakasunod. Beautiful lahat. Titipan lang. Ayun, asak-asan. Asak-asan na set. Ito niya. Ito ang asak-asan. So yan, rolled eggs, salmon roe, siguro mackerel to, raw shrimp. We have tuna, no salmon. We have scallops.
Yeah.
Okay, so after walking for a bit, we're here sa may shrine again. So we circled doon. We circled around just like we did yesterday. Pero ngayon, hindi rin magmamadali, so it's fine. We can ice cream kasi si Dad. Ito bibili namin. Oh man. Yung lengua cone na half chocolate, half vanilla, tapos yung KJ is yung half matcha. Sa akin itong drink. Okay, so while walking from dun sa shopping street ng Shrine, dito kami dito, I have here peach soda. So ano siya? Peach puree lang. Tapos sparkling water. Pwede pala yun. Okay, now after taking the bus, the train to Skytree, we're directly under Skytree itself. Parang this stop. Nandito kami sa West Yard kasi dito yung may lift for, yeah. And 4th floor, ticket counter. Kasi muna na aking family. Ito, Tree Village Entertainment Shop. They have a Dead by Daylight collaboration. Tapos sa kabilang side nito sa labas, may cafe na may Dead by Daylight collaboration. So, if you like games, you know, games in general, this shop is... Oh, ito, cute. Cute siya. We went down from the 4th floor to the first sa Tokyo Solamachi. We're here again. Ang pagbaba namin dito, nakita rin ito yung labas. Parang kami gumala na dito sa dulo nito. Grabe. Bumalik na kami. It's a replay. Sold out. Sold out na siya. No wonder why. Kasi pinapakita agad nila sa harap. You know, Yamashiroya yung place. Okay, now so it's 8:42 in the evening. Nakauwi na kami guys sa hotel. Pero ano, titignan ko dito yung 7-Eleven na fruit shake. Kasi nakita ko dito sa 7-Eleven meron. And dun sa Sapporo wala. So, baka wala ng time. So, ito. 7-Eleven. Ito guys, smoky sila. Strawberry banana. Parang may puti. No? May calories din. So ito yung banana pineapple. Strawberry. Green. Gusto ko lang. Ini ako. Ano isa? 270. Ay, may ka na flavor. Okay, hold the barcode down over the sensor. Tapos tanggalin yung plastic. Tanggalin yung plastic, then okay. May video naman siya, tapos may English. Tama, drinks na in-order ko. Tubig.
バッテリー残量は 80%。充電をやめてください。
Ay, binibenta pa niya. Yeah, and then that's it. Grabe, buhay na buhay yung dito. Grabe. So guys, that's the end of the vlog. We did pretty much. No. So guys, that's the end of the vlog. Marami kami ginawa ngayong araw, so we're just packing our things. No, not packing our things. Kabalik ka lang nun. Linalabas yung mga gamit namin sa maleta para maayos na yung hotel. But we're staying at, you know, mga toiletries and stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.